Welcome back to the channel. I'm Jaterra Bria'Na, and over here we do all things DIY maintenance, including hair. So today I'm going to be getting into a crochet tutorial. Hopefully this hairstyle will replace the way you do sew-ins, clip-ins, K-tips, tape-ins, all the things. You can do all styles with this. Bust down, middle part, curly, flip over, updo, all the things, all while saving you time, saving you money, and the hair is reusable. So today's video is sponsored by HOTBRAIDS. So thank you guys so much for sponsoring today's tutorial, and enough rambling, let's get into how to do this style.
I am freshly washed and blow dried, and it's time for our breakdown. I will be leaving my middle part section out, as well as the entire perimeter for my mid ponytails as well as my low ponytails. And when it comes to my hairline in particular, I have less density in this area, so you will see my part curve back just a bit. The only products that I will be putting in my natural hair is a little bit of twisting butter as well as oil. Okay, you guys, all of my leave out is fully secured. Next up for the braid down is just straight back cornrows. I'm going to make sure that I interlock them. I'm going to use a crochet needle at the end so everything is seamless and lays flat. And being as I'm just going to have straight cornrows, no anchor braids or anything of that nature, this is going to ensure that I have a seamless flat install regardless of the style that I am wearing at the moment.
HOTBRAIDS sent me one bundle of 20 inches, 245 grams of their Kinky Straight Upgrade Crochet Human Hair in the natural color black. This is very similar to the feather crochet hair that is going completely viral right now. HOTBRAIDS collection carries each individual texture on the hair spectrum for a seamless blend, no matter if you are natural, transitioning, or relaxed. They are sponsoring today's video, so make sure to use my code JHBT at checkout for money off.
I was able to install half of my head in less than 30 minutes because I didn't know exactly how much hair I should be installing in what areas. So this is exactly what I did, word for word, bar for bar. The braid down is going straight back, and I wanted to make sure that the front of my head was full. So I started by placing 2 strands at the very top of the cornrow per each cornrow. Once I did that, I did 5 going straight down. It got me about towards the middle of my head. Then I said, okay, let me do the sides. I covered this entire cornrow with hair, and then I worked my way from the back up, and I filled in the rest of the middle. And when it came to the very center, because I want to make sure I don't have a middle line from this part going straight down my head, I make sure to put some towards the root of my head in the very center so that can like fill in as well. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished product after curling. I will say that when it comes to wearing kinky straight hair, you don't have to worry about the hair losing its curl, okay? It's gonna hold a curl so stinking good. I didn't spray this hair with anything, so it's still as soft as a pillow, and it's still gonna hold its curl all night long. It's very long, okay, because my curls still have really great length, and I did pretty tight curls, as you can see. I didn't even have to pluck the curls. I have not separated them. I did chunky pieces when curling, so it didn't take me too long, even though the hair is super full and super long. But because it's so full, like, you literally do not have to do that. I'm gonna turn around and show you guys the back as well. Now, I haven't looked at her yet, so not too much, all right? Not too much, but hopefully my natural hair is nicely curled and blended in with the extensions. Fingers crossed. And this is what she's giving, super full. My hair, but better. Literally, my hair, but better. I'm obsessed with this hair. You will see this in my head for a really long time, okay? So without further ado, that really wraps up today's video. Please make sure that you check the links in the description box below. I also have a discount code for you guys to use so you can save a little coin at checkout. Go over to Hot Braids and tell them Sarah sent you, okay? I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. You could back all these plays. That's just the way that it goes. Let me stop playing in y'all face. Tell me you'll never wanna lose me. Tell me you'll never wanna lose